looking for a 55 plus community with mountain views, resort style amenities, and a lifestyle that feels a permanent vacation. Let's take a closer look at the Ovation at Mountain Falls right here in Pahrump. Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to my channel. This is Sai Brown, your real estate go-to expert. Today I'm at the Ovation Mountain Falls. It is a 55 plus community where they are hosting an open house. I also will take you to a new home model as well. This community, it is one of the Southern Nevada's faster growing active adult communities. And it is only about an hour outside of Las Vegas. Let's walk through what makes this community stand out. Ovation at Mountain Falls is designed especially for active adult over 55 plus. The home range from about 1,300 to just over 2,000 square feet with model floor plans, open kitchens, and low maintenance design. The community offers a private clubhouse, fitness center, resort style pool, and it's built right alongside with Mountain Fall Golf Course. So let's check out the open house hosted by Kathleen, a friend of mine from Century 21 Americana in Pahrump. This home has open kitchen with the island and upgraded oversized shower, and it is on the golf course with beautiful mountain views and prices to sell. So check it out. Now I'm taking you to look at the new model home site. There are total 6 models: the Daffodil, the Foxglove, the Hibiscus, the Marigold, the Primrose, and the Sage. These homes are designed with covered outdoor living, open concept, secluded primary suite, fabulous kitchens, and entertainers' dream. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros number 1, you get the peace and quiet of Pahrump with stunning mountain views. 2, resort style amenity without leaving your neighborhood. 3, friendly active 55 lifestyle, great for meeting new friends. 4, newer homes mean model layouts, energy efficiency, and let's keep up. Cons, number 1, keep in mind Pahrump is about an hour from Las Vegas. So some shopping, entertainment, or medical care will mean a drive. 2, HOA fees are around $265 per month, so you will want to factor that into your budget. 3, since this is still a newer community, some phases are under construction. Here is your takeaway, guys. If you are looking for balance between affordability, amenities, and true 55 plus lifestyle, Ovation at Mountain Falls could be a great fit. It's peaceful, social, and just close enough to Las Vegas for when you want the big city amenities. If you would like more information about Ovation at Mountain Falls, or if you want me to set up private tours for you, just give me a call or text. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comment below. I really love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye for now. ลาก่อนค่ะ